decided to have this new house, and once we had this house, we thought that the best option is to give it to Ajay Bhai. The first house that we had done, that also was done by Ajay Bhai. So definitely, we were already happy with his work. Over the 8 years that I have lived, the work remained as is. So we were said that we know for undoubtedly that it has to be Ajay Bhai. Also, we knew that he can deliver it on time. So, we gave him almost like an impossible target. Then, he managed to deliver absolutely on time for us. And with the amount of combinations that we told him to do. So, there was so much of artmanship and there's so much of perfection in the work. So, it is all a big thanks to Ajay Bhai, Ajay Mistry and his whole team. That, everything was meticulously made, planned, made and delivered.
To convert your dreams into reality. And I think Shriji Interiors, led by Ajay Mistry and his team, are the people actually who can convert your dreams into reality. Not very often actually you go ahead with the same interior team, second time around, because you always want some change, some kind of newness. But we still decided to go ahead with Shriji Interiors, led by Ajay Bhai, the second time around. And we were more positively surprised than we were first time around with the design. And not just kind of images on 3Ds, but actually how do you make those 3Ds into real life is what we have seen time and again now from Ajay Bhai for the second time. And again we had our own very specific small to big changes, doing things, redoing things, going really out of the box in terms of some design, some last minute changes, some changes from the plans. And Ajay Bhai is like, main hu na, or make it happen. So he is the one who is really like a magician, who kind of helps in converting your dreams into reality. And the best thing about Ajay Bhai is, for last 8 years, whenever we have had any issues, even in the old house, he's always there to kind of support you in terms of giving the service. So it's more like now a family relationship than just a professional relationship. But second time again we are super happy kind of with the kind of work and with the kind of eventual kind of design which has sort of come out now live in front of us. So extremely thankful to him.
But there is never a no from him. So we've actually sat through so many hours of detailed designing, and he will patiently listen out. The team will patiently listen out. It's all very positive. It is like, okay, don't worry, we'll get it done. And when they know that there is a target, then still there is no you cannot take so much time to make a design. For each cupboard we had actually sat down and split it up. It is immense amount of efforts by the entire team. So hats off on the whole delivery, the whole project, the whole approach to it, the way they do things, and definitely recommended.
And one other thing which I would just like to add, for Ajay Bhai and his team is, they are pretty flexible. So, they don't come with a very set, kind of template. Of course, they will, kind of discuss with you, but they give you multiple options in terms of whatever model, you may want. And even later on, if you say that, hey, I want this thing to be done differently with a different, contractor, different vendor, he will always be there to, kind of help you out. He will not restrict himself saying that, okay, you are not going with my vendor or my, kind of contractor. His ultimate objective is to ensure that whatever you are visualizing or, kind of creating in your mind comes to, reality. And in the process of doing that, whatever needs to happen, he, sort of makes it happen. So that's the other thing which is very rare with, interior, designer and their teams.
And a very practical approach. So he will say, this material can't go like this. So, it is a very well thought, the amount of experience that he brings on the table is at a different level. So he understands that, this will not work, this will work through, this will pass, this will not. So he gives you that feedback also that, practically this is not the right way. So it may look very beautiful, but it's not a practical approach to it. Who gives you that sort of feedback? That's what he wants. He just doesn't want to finish a product and then tata bye bye. He is there to stay as in, to remain, to say that, okay, whatever you need, even at an after sales service, I am there. And because he's doing that, he needs to ensure he's giving the best. So that, there is nothing really that is needed after that also. So I think fantastic.
Very thankful to Ajay Bhai, and hopefully look at the hat trick next time around with him.